Hello everyone, I am Shreya Ghosh, a PhD student at Monash University. Today I am going to present our work, MTGLS Multitask Gaze Estimation with Limited Supervision. This work has been conducted in collaboration with Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar and University of Melbourne. Eye gaze estimation is to identify people's focus of attention represented as the visual axis in the 3D space as shown in this figure or as a point of regard in 2D space as shown in this figure. There are several applications of eye gaze in augmented reality, virtual reality, marketing and consumer behavior analysis, egocentric vision and affective computing. There are several challenges associated with eye gaze estimation. First one is data collection, which is resource expensive and time consuming process. Further accurate annotation of gaze data is problematic as it requires participant cooperation and sometimes involuntary action like eye blink could hamper the data. Subjective bias and data attribute also plays an important role in gaze estimation performance. In order to overcome all of these challenges, eye generation approach is proposed by the previous method. However, domain gap is difficult to address in terms of content preservation for eye appearance maybe and network complexity because network complexity is too much high. To this front, we propose MTGLS, our novel multitask gaze estimation framework, which is guided by 3 different auxiliary signals, that is line of sight of pupil, head pose, and eye orientation. In order to overcome the impact of inherent noise in the auxiliary level space, we propose noisy level learning framework. We evaluate our method on 4 benchmark datasets, that is CAVE, MPII, GAZE 360 and DGW. This is the overview of our proposed method. Our method is divided into 3 different parts. First one is multitask learning via pseudo level. Here we leverage from abundantly available non-annotated facial image data. And we get the pseudo levels in terms of line of sight of pupil, head pose in terms of rotation and translation, and eye orientation. Eye orientation is whether the eye patch belongs to left eye or right eye. Further, we move toward knowledge distillation and representation learning, where the extracted eye patch is given input to the backbone network, which is Resonate 50, which is further mapped to latent space and then level space. In order to overcome the inherent noise in head pose and pseudo gaze level space, we introduce noisy level learning framework as shown here. After this representation learning, we move toward inference module. In inference module, we perform 2 types of adaptation: linear probing, where the last layer of the network is only updated, and for fine tuning, we update the whole network. This is the overview of the quantitative analysis. Following the current evaluation protocol, we compare our method with existing method on 4 benchmark datasets as shown in these 2 tables. And you can see the performance gain over the prior method is attributed toward the rich knowledge distilled via pseudo labeling. Further, there is an increasing demand in person-specific adaptation and few-shot gaze estimation in augmented and virtual reality. And these 2 experiment suggests that our proposed method MTGLS is also adaptive to any other environment. Further, we also did a thorough ablation study to show the contribution of each different component associated with our model, that is auxiliary task, noise removal in level space, and landmark localization model. These are the qualitative analysis of our method. We did a clustering in latent space like it is shown in this figure, where you can see it forms different well-defined cluster and each cluster represents different gaze representation. Here you can see the comparison of gaze vector with respect to the ground truth level. The green one is the ground truth level and red one is the predicted level. Our method can perform as accurate as the ground truth level. Coming to conclusion, we propose multitask gaze representation learning with 3 different auxiliary signals. We perform extensive quantitative and qualitative analysis. In future, we would like to explore optimal pre-training and downstream adaptation strategies and also the design choices across multitask learning framework. Thank you very much for listening.